What we're looking at in 2012 is we've realigned to have all the medium and heavy vehicles under one project level. And so we'll look at what the Army's needs and requirements are and keep those fleets, full life cycle management of fleets from the original requirement, and then we put it into production, fielding, and then we sustain it throughout the life of the system. We work very close with TACOM, Tank and Automotive Command, to make sure that that full life cycle management of those systems. We also have the Army watercraft systems, and we have again, the medium vehicles and the heavy vehicles and the non-standard vehicles are falling under our portfolio. So we have a full spectrum for all those. One of the things we learn in theater is as we identify what means the enemy uses, we build what we call C kits, and we put the Under Armour kits and the side blast kits. We add those to the vehicles, and we're trying to find new technology so we can remove them and not have to use that weighted vehicle in peacetime when we practice, and then just put the kits back on in wartime. So we've learned a lot of good lessons from that. We've learned a lot of lessons from the high usage of the vehicles. We come back with our customers, we develop the requirement, and then we put out solicitations to business and improve the vehicles and the vessels for the Army watercraft systems. One of the operational energy is one of the main focuses we use in the programmatic world. All of our programs, as we go into that, we take that into consideration. As requirements are developed, we look into that. As far as the future fleet, we're looking into, as the requirements come up, we're looking at the fuel economy, aerodynamics, wind, to make sure that we get the leanest vehicle we can, the lightest vehicle we can get the mission done. And the fuel economy is really important to us, and overall energy is something we look at all our new systems and apps. Well, what we've done is our Program Executive Officer, Mr. Kevin Fahey, has looked at all the systems we have in his portfolio, and he's lined up all the transportation systems under one project level to try to expedite and make it a better flow of requirements through for all the wheel vehicle platforms. So we've got the heavy and the medium, we've got the non-standard over in theater in Afghanistan, and now we've got the vessels. All those transportation systems fall under the requirements school at TACOM for the Transportation Corps. So we're hoping to align that better to work better with our customer, which is the Transportation Corps. And also we've aligned other programs under force projection. We worked with the Quartermaster Corps and the Engineer Corps to make sure those programs work well. And we have a standalone 06 now that's working light platforms and the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle to make sure that we go into that program, which is an Army DOD ACAP-1D program. So it's got high visibility, and we need to make sure we get the proper emphasis to make sure that program is successful. I think it brings the industry together for the industry to find out what the other partners are doing, and for the Army and for the Armed Forces, it gives us the ability to see what's out there, the new things as we understand what the requirements are from the user. We can find out these new technologies and see if we can implement it into the upcoming platforms as we go into production.